Got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1958 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, 6-year restoration, $200,000 build. Just absolutely stunning. I mean, attention to detail. You could do surgery off the bottom of this car. Just absolutely stunning. 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, tilt wheel, AC, power seat, power windows, 4-speed automatic. Just wow. You'll find over 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Just an absolute amazing paint, chrome, trim, everything on this vehicle. Gotta love the Continental kit. House of color blue, many coats of clear. Over 400 hours of blocking on the car. This is just top level. Like I said, the underneath of this car is absolutely stunning. All the chrome, trim, bright work. And then let's look at the clouds. 100-spoke wheels. Got a folder, collage of pictures, restoration, newspaper articles. 28 first-time winner. This is a first place Grand National GM Good Guys Diamond Award. Just wow car. Power windows, like I said, power seat, just attention to detail. Down the car. Down the car's seat, steering wheel. There's two-tone powder. Blue, white interior, almost like clouds in it. Just absolutely stunning. Got the dual antenna, Continental kit. Take a peek in the trunk. This car was just completely disassembled, frame off, stripped down to bare metal. That's got a ZZ4 350 cubic inch, 375 horse motor, aluminum heads. There it is. There's the Diamond Award. 2 spare tires. Just amazing. So just attention to detail on this is amazing. Look up and down the side of that. It's just laser straight, all the gaps. Just absolutely fantastic on this car. windows, just dash, chrome trim bright work around the windows, dash itself. Again, you'll find this at www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. 15,000 miles, 15,247 on the odometer. That's what the odometer reads. Don't mind my camera back there. But take this thing for a spin. Top's in great condition. Goes up and down with ease. And we get a 4-speed automatic ZZ4 crate motor, aluminum heads, 375 horse, disc brakes, power steering, bigger suspension, springs, sway bars front and back, Continental kit, power windows, power seat, tilt wheel, custom sound system with CD player in the trunk. Again, if you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we'll pick you up at the airport, forward us your flight itinerary. St. Louis International, Lambert Internationals, they are the same. We'll pick you up, take you back to any one of our 3 warehouses, take it for a ride, put it up on the lift, make sure it's a good fit. If you cannot make it, we welcome third-party inspections. We'll accommodate them, no problem. We do have financing. Usually it's 10% down, great rates, great terms, so you do not need all the money to drive the car of your dreams. These are very, all these cars are financeable. So you got multiple lenders that deal with this. We can ship anywhere in the world. So www.westportautocenter.com. And we're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis, about 25 minutes from the airport, about 25 minutes from downtown. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Again, we're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. And now we'll take this for a ride.